making statements about Georgia. Nike's been the most civil rights-oriented company. I think it is hard to justify. My charitable trust owns it. We've been selling it for fear that they will say, you know what, we can't justify it. Yeah.
Well, you're clearly not the only ones, Jim. Kathy Wood's ARK continues to sell some Apple, which we can talk about in a second. There's the opening bell at the NYSE and the NASDAQ, Jim, which it looks like is going to get Lucid, as they tweet a few moments ago about the SPAC merger. I think the ticker symbol under Lucid is going to be, I lost it here, but LCID. Yep,
okay.
Following the planned merger with CCIV.
And
there's a lot between that and Fisker and Tesla and the Ford Lightning F-150. There's a ton of news in the EV space.
Yeah, I mean, I think Ford, with Biden, will be there. I think Ford's electric 150. Jim Farley, he's not getting enough credit for trying to make his whole line electric, and obviously they have component problems. Tesla, we can bat about. Tesla stock has become a bad stock. How about that?
A bad stock?
Well, it's after being unbelievably good.
Well, incredible year last year. It's now down 19, 20% this year. You see it right there. 19.
What have you done for me lately is how people feel. I think that's a mistake. I think Musk deserves a little bit better. Give him some leeway.
Okay.
He's trying to get Berlin going.
It doesn't look, year to date, but when you look at this over any other period of time, it's...
Well, I can't hit that guy. I mean, he's created a huge amount of value.
He has.
He's okay in my book. Fisker's... They're going to get. I think they made a couple foul.
Hey, it's not bad.
I think it was 20. No, was it 22,000?
Yeah,
60,000?
I made that selling ice cream.
I noticed a K on our screen last night, Jim.
Well, yeah. I mean, they're not really in that. They're pre-revenue.
Yeah.
Dave, what do you think about pre-revenue companies?
I think you have to be careful. Yeah. Really? Certain environments they work. I mean, and a lot of the companies that are going public through a SPAC process are pre-revenue.
Right.
You should think of it as late-stage venture capital money to a certain extent. Some of them will hit. Some of them may be rocket ships, and many will not be at all.
They'll sell anything. I mean, I happen to like the Lucid. I was in the Lucid. It was terrific.
The car itself.
I just loved it. I loved it. But and everyone tells me that Bill McDermott has the new Fisker car, and they've got a good deal with Magnum, good deal with Foxconn. It's just that they're pre-rev. I'm uncomfortable with pre-rev.
Right. Well, in this environment, you've been saying that. Now, 4 months ago, didn't seem like people were uncomfortable with pre-rev. And they were very comfortable as well with multiple revenues on either current revenues that are quite small but are going to grow very quickly.
But then you and I both felt that things had gotten out of control.
Yes. We made references to past times.
But the Lucid, when it was at,
CCIV. CCIV's high is $64.86.
That was more like the Boer War than what he did against the
Nazis. Let's remember, when we talk about Lucid, which will become a fully public company when it de-SPACs, as we say, and you saw what the symbol's going to be.
Gallipoli.
It will have, I think, if I recall, 1.6 billion shares in total. So you want to take 1.6 billion times $18.81. That's still a pretty hefty market.
That's because people who are buying it don't understand. They don't understand the hidden shares.
Right.
Because the SEC is nowhere on these. These are kind of like carve-out. Carl, these are all carve-outs. They don't have to be as forthcoming. Whole special category of not to be forthcoming. How does this happen?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.